Welcome D-Lab Electronics, everyone. Today on the bench I have an Ampeg model M-15. This amplifier has already been at another repair shop. It was returned to the owner and he said it was just a humming mess. So it was reboxed, came to D-Lab Electronics for evaluation. Let me show you what I found. Alright, so as I stated, this amplifier had already been to another shop. The owner was wise enough to take before and after pictures of the amp. So he showed me what this thing looked like before it left, which was stock, and what it was like when it came back. So with that information, I knew better than to plug this thing in and listen for the hum. A thorough inspection was the first thing that needed to happen, and look what I found. So let's focus on the filter capacitor area. That's what was replaced at the other shop. First off, take a look at the wiring. It's all melded. A lot of the insulation is pulled way back. But the first thing I spotted, and I know it's very difficult for you to see, back here is a 22K resistor. That is supposed to come off of one cap section through that 22K, and then that feeds the preamp. Well, guess what? There's no other wire on that lug besides the 22K resistor. I don't know how the preamp is getting any voltage at all. So what a shame this happened to the Ampeg. The best course of action here is to unwire it, clean things, and start over. You know, when the owner told me that he had sent it to Kentucky, I thought for a minute he actually said Corn-tucky.
I got me a shop in Kentucky. Yep, the quality work is yucky. I'll slip in a cap, send it back. Chance at working, ha, if you're lucky.
Alright, yep, looks like there's been some cobbling going on all the way from Corn-tucky. So guys, what I have to do now is get in here, dig out this mess, see if any of this wiring can be saved. I'll get the cap remounted and configured correctly, and we'll test, and hopefully the hum is gone. Alright, well, I've cleaned up the filter cap and all the wiring, soldered the ground direct to chassis. We are ready to test. Here we go. I've powered up the amp. Remember, the owner said that the minute he turned it on, it was just a hum monster. We are on at this point. It's volume 1, volume 2. With the volume all the way down, there's absolutely no hum, meaning the power supply is back the way it should be. So after a bit of cleanup and verification against the schematic, we have now taken the Ampeg and converted it back to an Ampeg. Word of advice, guys, don't get robbed by the cobbler. Do your research. There's one thing that my dad shared with me when he was still around. He said reputation is everything. If you have a bad reputation, you die, you're going to be forgotten. If you have a good one, people always remember you, and that's the guy that I want to be.